What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to another video. I'm Jerome.
And I'm Serica, and we are the Hutton family.
No other. How are you, rather? And today's challenge is we're gonna try some murky food.
So, guys, we're gonna try some foods that we've never tried before. As you can see, we have the kiddos with us today.
Yep.
We got Eloise here. Say hi, Eloise. We got Chester over here. What's up, Chester?
And we got 80 Patty.
Was it Maverick?
Yeah. Maverick?
No!
You 80 Patty?
No.
What you are?
No. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, guys. So we're gonna show you what we are gonna be trying today. Right. So we have some authentic Japanese seaweed bits. I like seaweed. Aiden likes seaweed.
I don't like seaweed. Nasty.
And they don't like seaweed. So we will see.
Like seaweed.
Oh, you like seaweed? Okay, sorry. Then we also have some pork Weisswurst. Say that 3 times fast.
Pork Weisswurst, pork Weisswurst, pork Weisswurst.
Say pork Weisswurst 3 times fast.
What's rice?
Pork Weisswurst, pork Weisswurst, pork Weisswurst. And it's packed in brine, whatever that is. So it's like sausages. It's German sausages. Does it look appetizing? Not to me. Then we have some good up, V8 juice, vegetable juice.
Vegetable. Oh.
Yum. Yummy. Then we have some ginger beer, premium ginger beer. I think this is gonna be yummy. I think this one's gonna be yummy. You think so?
Yeah.
Same? Yeah. Then we also have some clam juice. Yeah. It says you can use it in like sauces, but just to try it like that, no.
Okay.
Then we have some cocktail onions. I like onions, so I'm thinking this might taste good.
No. This
What do you think?
Definitely not gonna taste good.
You think it's gonna taste good? Okay.
It's gonna be a wrap.
Then we have some. You think so?
Yeah.
Then we have some canned oysters. I like oysters.
I don't.
I like oysters. Wait, can I see?
You have mussels, not oysters.
I like oysters.
You think you're gonna like it?
Yeah. Me too.
Then we have some sardines in mustard sauce. I've never had that.
I never even had that.
I don't know what to expect with that one. Then we have some herring fillet in Dijon mustard sauce. I don't know what is up with these mustard sauces, but let's see. And then we have some minced clams. Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna need the water. So the goal is to try not to make a yucky face. Okay.
Who you think gonna enjoy most of these?
Me.
I think you gonna enjoy most of it.
I think I'm gonna enjoy most of it.
Me too.
You think
Okay.
so?
Guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.
All right. So what are we gonna try first? The onion.
No.
I
Alright,
think
let's do the onion first.
we need to get a fork.
Oh yeah. All right.
I'm scared.
Well, we're gonna start off with the cocktail onions.
I'm scared.
So each
Just now?
person gonna get one onion ball,
Yep.
and we're gonna try it all together
At the same time. Give me your plates. Ooh! I'm excited. Grab a fork.
You
smell
cannot
it?
taste it yet. You have to wait until
Man, look at your face.
everybody get
Yes,
theirs,
no.
and then we're gonna try on the count of 3, right? Okay.
I don't know how to like it.
So,
Why am I laughing already?
so
Are you smelling?
you wait. We do not smell it. We gonna count on the count of three. We are gonna try it together, right?
Cheers.
Okay.
Ready? All
Ready?
right. You gotta look at the camera when you try it.
One,
1, 2, 3.
That just blew my ears up.
If you want to feel like it,
Ah. Ah.
you want to put it out?
Ooh! Wow! Wow!
OMG!
Wow! That was disgusting.
Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, that was. I would give that like a 2 out of 10. What, 0? What do you give it?
A 0 out of 10.
I'll give it a 1.
A 1? What
That
do you
was
give it?
disgusting.
10 being the best, 0 being the worst.
I give it 10 the best.
I give it a
Wow.
2. Yeah.
I give it a 10. I give it a 10.
And for me to not be able to swallow it,
Wow.
you know it's a problem. I think it
Can we
needs
try
to be
this one?
eaten with like something, like, right?
What are we gonna try? Let me see.
We can try this.
We're gonna try the sardine and mustard now.
This is sardine. I'm scared. I don't know how to like sardine.
Every time. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Sardine and mustard. It doesn't smell bad.
I think I'm gonna like it. You better make it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna like it. Me too. I'm gonna like it. Like this is the best. I don't want it.
Come here,
I'm scared. Oh, it smells nice.
it don't smell bad.
It smells nice. I want to go like this. I need to try it.
Alright. Sardine and mustard.
Here we go. Wait, everybody put it on their fork first, and then we're gonna try it at the count of 3. Okay?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mm. 100 out of 100.
You like it? You like it? That one's not bad. That one's doable. The mustard is kind of pungent, but it's not bad. It's really not bad.
You
want more? You want more?
I give it 100. I love it. I just love it. I want it.
Wow.
More. This is what
You said what? You're
Guys-
trembling?
This have an aftertaste. Is this? Oh my word! The aftertaste.
It's not bad. I would give it like a 4 out of 10.
Nah, I'll give it a. No,
A 4 out of 10.
I give this a 0.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
I give it infinite.
Okay.
I give it infinite.
Infinite. Should we wash it down with some clam juice?
No. Yes. Yes. No.
Yeah, let's wash it down with some clam juice.
Will it taste nice? I like it. Can I have it, please? It's not.
Cheers to clam juice.
Clam juice. Let's try. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sissy, do you like it?
Ooh. Ooh. That was.
Mm.
That was terrible.
Oh my god!
That's
You
terrible.
swallowed it?
That's
You
Wow.
swallowed it? Did you swallow it? Huh?
It's terrible.
Did you swallow it?
Yeah.
I couldn't
Oh
get it
my
down.
It's a rock.
Wow. Why does people make that? Who drink that?
No, it's with like sauces and stuff.
Oh my Jesus.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
No, that one was.
So you mean to tell me like somebody really go to the supermarket and purchase that? That's wild.
What do you use this for? In chowders and seafood dishes.
Oh my word.
Oh! Mm-mm.
Seafood dishes. I give it a 0.
Zero. Zero.
I give it none. I give it
Zero?
a 0.
Mm.
Zero.
I think
Yeah,
it's
zero.
Let's try this. I give it a Oh my god.
Oysters.
I love oysters.
We're gonna try the oysters next.
Can I
Can you open?
Can I have the oyster, please?
Oh, that was gross. That was very gross.
What, the oyster?
The clam juice.
Lamb juices.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
These are the oysters. They kind of look like mussels, kind of.
Oh my Lanta. No, don't give me any.
You have to try it.
We're just trying it. If you don't need it, you
If
can
you don't
just
like
spit
it, just
it
spit
out.
it
Okay?
out.
After 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's try it.
Mama, you try it.
You like it? It's not terrible.
It makes me have to throw up. Mine, Mama's not finished. It makes me have to throw up. I'm a half. No, I need more water. Too bad. 0. I give it a,
Zero?
yeah, I give it a 1.
You give it a 1?
Mm.
0.
Oh my God.
All of this needs to be eaten with like bread or.
Mm-mm, you don't need to eat at all. Take it out of the supermarket. Do not sell this. This is, oh my word.
Let me try this.
Mm.
No, let's try
Wow.
this next. Let's try this next.
Can somebody really eat that?
It's an acquired taste for sure.
Oh my Lanta.
I think I would give it a 4. I give it a 4 out of 10.
I give it as a 1.
I give it a 1. I give it a 1.
I
Just
give
like
it a
Aiden.
1.
I think if you put like a little bit of black
I
pepper
give it a 4.
and then you put like either with bread, it might be good.
I want 1.
Mm.
Not me, because I'm like I'm about to.
I
Alright,
give it at the 4.
we're gonna try the herring in Dijon mustard. Chase like stressed.
Let's see if this is gonna be the one that I swallow.
Everybody has a fork?
No,
A piece?
I have a piece.
I have a piece.
Chase
Ariella,
always
come
be
on
the
the
last
camera.
one to try.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3. Let's try.
That's not bad. That
Not bad.
was not bad.
Yeah.
If you heat it up, it's pretty good.
I love it. I want more.
It's not bad, but I would never buy this.
You want to buy it?
I would never.
I would buy it. So good. You just have to drink water. And the taste is good.
Yeah, that one is not bad. I'll give that one. This one's the highest rating for me. I'll give this one like a 6.
I
Me
give this a
too.
4.
Me too. A 6.
You're gonna give it a 6?
I give it 1,000.
Oh yeah.
It's
Wow.
good.
Yeah, that was not bad. 6.
Wow.
I don't need a taste.
I don't know how.
I think
How?
they should just put the herring in the container, and then people who like mustard just add it on it. Like
Yeah.
you don't need to sell it like that. But to each his own, you know. All right, so we're gonna try. Can we try this first since we haven't had any liquids in a while?
Yeah.
And then the sausages.
Yeah. Then this.
Okay.
I think we should do this last too.
Yes.
I think it's gonna be good.
So do the
Go off with a
V8.
bang. Yeah, we're gonna do the V8.
The
Sure.
V8 of vegetables.
Should we rinse out the cups or?
No, it's fine.
No. Rinse it up.
Woo! Wait.
Have juice in it.
Oh, I should shake it up.
Let me get it. This is your clam.
Oh!
I'm excited about this one.
I want more.
Guys.
I think it will taste good.
If you drink V8 vegetable juice,
Y'all know good juice.
100% vegetable.
100%. 100%.
You get all your veggies from this.
Okay, guys.
Not even
So we
joking.
have the V8, no other than the V8, V8 engine in the cup right here. We're going to try the V8 engine to see how it tastes, right?
We're gonna rev you up. Ready?
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
All right.
Okay, after 3. 1, 2, 3.
You wanna spin it? Did you even try it, Aiden? You like it? Oh my gosh.
I don't like it.
I'm literally about to like throw up.
Okay, I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna actually throw. I'm getting goosebumps. Oh my god, I have goosebumps.
Ooh, guys, that hit different.
The mixtures of this is like.
Mm. That was not good at all.
It makes me have to throw.
2 out of 10 for me.
2 out of 10.
Nah, I give that a 0.
I give it a 1.
A fat 0.
1. 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
The texture from it.
We're gonna try the Weisswurst sausages. Weisswurst sausages.
Weisswurst sausages.
Weisswurst sausages.
Weisswurst sausages.
Put it here.
Weisswurst sausages. I'm not going to like it.
How do you know? Maybe it's good. Wait, can you even eat it like this out of the thing?
I mean,
Is that how they eat it?
I don't know.
Or do you have to cook it? Yo, how do you eat this? You can eat it cold if you want to, I'm guessing.
Here,
I'm going to eat it.
we're just gonna try it.
I'm going to eat it hot.
So, well, I do not even like the shape of this thing.
It doesn't smell bad.
Let me
It
try
smells like sausage.
It does smell like sausage.
I need to eat this.
After 3, 1.
Wait, Ariel is not ready.
You ready, Airy Bears? Let's go. Okay. You're gonna try it after 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it.
I
It's
want more.
actually good. This is actually good.
I told you!
Well, well, well.
Mama,
I was expecting gross.
This is actually good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Give me a big piece. Give me a very big piece.
It's actually good.
Yeah, it's not bad. This is the highest.
Yeah, I give this a good 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give this
Yeah,
a good 8.
Give it an 8.
I give it an 8.
It's good.
Yeah, fry it up.
Yeah, this is
Put
good.
between two birds. So that's
It's good.
yeah, that's good.
Let's keep it. And that's
How should we try? Okay, we're gonna try the seaweed bits. I'm excited about this one. I hope I'm not disappointed. Looks like
What if I don't like it?
it kind of looks like a chip, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's try this thing.
Wait, let me try.
Mm.
It's not
Put it
bad.
on. Not bad.
It's not horrible.
It's my favorite. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Man, I'll give it a
10 out of 10.
4. I give it a 4. It's
I
fine.
give it a 10.
I
give it a 10?
personally wouldn't buy it.
You want to buy it?
No, absolutely not.
I would.
Okay.
Dang, but 230 calories?
No, I'm not. Nope.
Okay.
So we are going to try the clam.
What's a clown?
See,
What do you think it's going to look like when we open it?
Clam.
I think it's gonna be white.
Me too.
Yeah.
It is gonna be white. No, it's gonna be pink.
I'm not even going to lie, y'all.
It's
I feel like I'm going to throw up, and I have the strongest stomach in this house.
No, don't buy
No,
it.
you have like, you and Aiden have the weakest stomachs.
No, we don't.
Oh,
So, moment of truth. Moment of truth. After 3.
don't wipe your hand with those.
After 3. 1. Are you ready?
No.
2, 3. Let's try it.
No
It's not bad. You just need a little seasoning.
No taste.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I give it a 10.
But that one's good. I
I
give
give
that
it
one
a
like
10.
Yeah.
a good 8.5, 9.
Now I give this a 6.
I'll give it like a 9.
I give it a.
I personally wouldn't buy this again at the shop. So you're not selling it for me. I'm not gonna be a customer.
I would buy it. No, I
Sausage
think this
the
is
best
better than
thing.
the sausage.
Nah, the sausage is the best thing
Yeah.
I taste so far. So last but not least, we are gonna try the ginger beer. And it's fever tree. And it's bold and spicy. Let's see.
I'm excited for this one.
Oh, it's gonna taste good. Oh yeah. It's gonna
So let's begin on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's try it.
Not bad. 100.
10 out of 10.
100.
10 out of 10.
I don't know if I like it.
Really?
I give it a 0.
I don't know if I like it.
Really, Aiden?
I want more. I give it a 0.
No.
What's the... You don't like it?
I like it. But
What's your rating? I give it a 10.
Now I give it a probably a 4. Probably a 4. I don't like it.
I give it 9.
I think I taste the grass, the tree, whatever, a lot
It's
in it.
right up my alley.
And there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
We hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching. Peace.